welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the show with top headlines coming your way. Shraddha Kapoor playfully dodges media questions about her wedding as she returns from New Delhi. Natasha Dalal trolled for her white chuda as she resumes work after her wedding to Varun Dhawan. Ranveer Singh teases Priyanka's husband Nick Jonas with a hilarious comment on his workout video. Aamir Khan burns the dance floor with Ellie Avram in Koi Jaane Na song sequence. श्रद्धा कपूर एक महीने से लंबे आउटडोर शूट के बाद मुंबई आ पहुंची है।
शादी हो रही है, आप उसी के लिए आए हो ना?
The actor was spotted at the Mumbai airport by paparazzi who were waiting to click pictures of the stunning star. लेकिन जब एक फोटोग्राफर ने उनसे पूछा कि वो शादी कब कर रही है, तो श्रद्धा ने हंस के उनके सवाल को टाल दिया। Shraddha Kapoor has been shooting in Delhi for the past month for Love Ranjan's next film opposite Ranbir Kapoor. The actor has also been in news after her friend Varun Dhawan dropped hints about her possible wedding to celebrity photographer Rohan Shrestha. However, both Shraddha and her father Shakti Kapoor have refused to confirm either the relationship or a possible wedding. लाइट-आइड ब्यूटी श्रद्धा कपूर ने लंबे लॉकडाउन के बाद फाइनली शूटिंग करना शुरू किया है। She has resumed work with the much-awaited film, जिसमें लव रंजन और रणबीर पहली बार कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं। This is also the first time रणबीर और श्रद्धा एक साथ ऑन स्क्रीन दिखेंगे। The entire cast and crew have been stationed in Delhi, where they have been working non-stop for over a month now. But it looks like Shraddha को मिला है shooting से break, क्योंकि the pretty star was spotted at Mumbai airport as she returned from Delhi. Shraddha looked stylish in a white blouse and beige pants, which she had paired with black boots and a long black jacket.
मैम थोड़ा सा मास्क डाउन करेंगे अभी नहीं।
The actor made sure to keep her mask on as per safety requirements and indulged in some fun banter with waiting photographers. While the photographers initially teased the star, saying कि उनके कुछ colleagues खास श्रद्धा से मिलने के लिए wait कर रहे थे, another asked her in Marathi कि वो शादी कब कर रही है। श्रद्धा ने हंसते हुए क्वेश्चन को डॉज किया और मुस्कुराते हुए मराठी में उन्हें जवाब दिया। श्रद्धा की शादी की खबरें वाइल्ड फायर की तरह फैलने लगी। After Varun Dhawan thanked her rumored boyfriend Rohan for his message, congratulating him and Natasha, and added a comment saying if Rohan was also ready. This remark sent gossip mills into overdrive, with many media outlets even asking Shraddha's father Shakti Kapoor about his daughter's wedding plans. To which the veteran actor had replied, Rohan is a very nice boy. He does come home, but he has come home since childhood. Shraddha hasn't told me that she plans to marry him. To me, they are still just childhood friends. I do not know if they are serious about each other. Well, it looks like Shraddha is super busy with work right now and has multiple films lined up for filming and release. और अगर वो शादी करती भी है तो हमें पता चल ही जाएगा।
मैडम जी वेट
वरुण धवन की बीवी नताशा दलाल ट्रोल हुई है फॉर हर चॉइस ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड व्हाइट चूड़ा। नताशा को भी अब पपराज़ी फॉलो करने लगे हैं। and the newly married Mrs. Dhawan was spotted out and about in the city as she too got back to work like her husband Varun. But it looks like other celebrities, Natasha को भी अब trolls के comments का सामना करना पड़ेगा. Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal got married in a private ceremony in Alibag with just close family and childhood friends attending. In fact, apart from movie director Kunal Kohli, who happens to be Varun's first cousin, and Manish Malhotra, who is also related to Varun's mom Lali Dhawan, Karan Johar was the only other Bollywood celebrity at Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal's wedding. Shaadi ke baad, the couple has resumed work immediately. But it looks like being the wife of a Bollywood star has opened Natasha up to comments and trolling from netizens. Natasha had raised quite a few eyebrows with her choice of bridal lehenga and accessories, with some netizens pointing out कि Natasha अपनी wedding jewelry पहले भी एक दूसरी शादी में पहन चुकी थी. Now it seems like the new Mrs. Dhawan and her fashion choices are going to be under more scrutiny from social media trolls. Natasha, who was spotted by paparazzi as she left her home for work, was seen wearing a simple black top and black pants. Like every new Punjabi bride, Natasha ने अपना सफेद चूड़ा पहना हुआ था और उनकी recently लगाई गई मेहंदी भी visible थी. Looks like Natasha tries to keep things simple, whether it's her wedding day or everyday life. लेकिन कुछ hyper vigilant trolls को Natasha का ये look पसंद नहीं आया, and they took to social media to criticize her choice of clothes, her white chooda, and other aspects of her appearance. But after being in a long-time relationship with a public figure, it looks like Natasha will be able to handle this increased media scrutiny. The couple, who has largely kept their relationship away from the limelight, were friends from school who fell in love and dated for over a decade before finally deciding to get married. Their wedding was held in a boutique hotel in Alibag with just 50 guests attending, keeping in mind pandemic-related restrictions. Varun's cousins and director Kunal Kohli recently spoke to a newspaper where he shared कि वरुण और नताशा की intimate wedding पूरी family को एक दूसरे के और करीब ले आई है. Kunal shared कि the families intended to keep it very private with just immediate relatives and 4 or 5 of Varun and Natasha's childhood friends attending. Kunal added, "It was very nice. A close-knit environment of friends like family and family like friends. That was what was wonderful about it." Kunal also shared कि वरुण और नताशा के friends ने इस शादी को और भी खास बनाया and said, "You can't choose your family, but you can choose your friends. And I am glad he has chosen his friends well." Likewise for Natasha. It was just like one big family and we were all happy to be together in the privacy of everything. Well, we are happy the couple followed their heart and got married on their own terms with those closest to them. We hope they just stay as happy and in love for the rest of their life. Ranveer Singh is a fitness freak, but looks like वो है प्रियंका के husband Nick Jonas के fan. निक ने जब अपना एक जिम में लिया हुआ वर्कआउट वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर किया तो रणवीर couldn't help but admire his डोले शोले. Ranveer and Priyanka have always shared a great chemistry on and off screen as well. They are perhaps the only pair who have worked as actors who are lovers, siblings, and even husband and wife in 3 different films they have worked in together. Ranveer has always shown a lot of love for Priyanka's husband Nick Jonas as well, and the two are often seen leaving hilarious comments on each other's posts. Ranveer is obsessed with working out himself and often shares goal-worthy pictures of his sculpted physique post a workout. Lekin is baar he has been impressed by Priyanka's husband Nick Jonas, who shared a workout video of himself. Nick, who is a very popular singer and is also dabbling in movies as an actor, shared a video on his social media page where he seems to be working on building muscular arms. Nick captioned his post, "Let's get it. Always want to leave cheeky comments on the posts of other celebs." रणवीर ने निक के पोस्ट पे लिखा, "ओहो जीजू, डोले शोले." Recently, when Ranveer had shared a post about a social media giveaway of his favorite chocolate spread in a jar with his name on it, Nick ने उन्हें चिढ़ाते हुए लिखा था, "So what are the prizes? I'm gonna enter. I'm hoping I get one of those custom Ranveer jars." Netizens have found these comments hilarious and quite enjoy this Jeeja Sale ka banter. Ranveer enjoys a lot of popularity for his good-natured personality and genuinely positive energy. Behind all the shiny clothes and high energy is a thinking actor who has shown tremendous versatility in his only decade-long career. शायद यही versatility और work ethic उन्हें और प्रियंका को similar बनाते हैं. And it has helped them form a close bond over the years. Even though Priyanka has been away from Bollywood for over a year now, it's great to see that she still has some loyal friends and supporters who still remain connected with her. यारों के यार. The superstar, who is extremely busy with completing his highly ambitious film Lal Singh Chaddha, took time out from his schedule to film a small cameo appearance in his friend Amin Haji's directorial debut Koi Jaane Na. In a leaked video that's going viral on social media, Amir is seen grooving with Ellie Avram in what appears to be a club number. Aamir Khan is one of Bollywood's most versatile and talented actors and producers. The superstar, whose film Lal Singh Chaddha was delayed by several months due to the pandemic and lockdown, is working round the clock to make sure that this film gets a Christmas 2021 release. The film, which also stars Kareena Kapoor Khan as the love of his life, is rumored to have special appearances by his fellow Khans, Shah Rukh and Salman. But even with all that going on in his life, Aamir has shown that he will always be there to support his closest of friends. जब आमिर को रिसेंटली जयपुर में देखा गया तो कई लोगों को लगा कि वो अपनी फिल्म लाल सिंह चड्ढा के अगले स्केड्यूल के लिए वहां आए हैं, लेकिन इट टर्न्स आउट द एक्टर वाज देयर टू शूट अ स्पेशल डांस नंबर फॉर हिज फ्रेंड आमिन हाजी's फिल्म कोई जाने ना. The movie is rumored to be a psychological thriller and has Kunal Kapoor and Amira Dastoor playing the lead pair. Amin और आमिर पिछले 20 सालों से दोस्त हैं, and Amir had even played the role of a speech-impaired character Baga in the movie Lagan. The two have remained close over the years. So जब आमिर ने आमिर को अपनी फिल्म के बारे में बताया और उनसे कैमियो करने की रिक्वेस्ट की, तो आमिर झट से मान गए. Pictures of Amir posing with the cast and crew of the film have been doing the rounds on social media. And now a leaked video of Amir grooving to a dance number with Ellie Avram has also been leaked on social media. Ever the perfectionist Amir ने इस गाने के लिए कोरियोग्राफर बॉस्को और उनकी टीम के साथ कुछ दिनों तक रिहर्स किया, जिसके बाद ही वो शूट करने जयपुर पहुंचे. The makers have created a special set for it to look like a dance club जहां गाने को शूट किया गया। He may not be the most popular celebrity on social media, but Aamir knows who his real friends are, and he will always have time and space in his life for them. Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor are successful actors and media personalities. But they haven't forgotten just how lucky they are to enjoy the privileges they do. Malaika and Arjun shared heartwarming pictures of a commuter getting into a Mumbai local train that have not been open to the public for 11 months. Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor made their relationship official in 2019 when they shared pictures of themselves together from a holiday abroad. The pair has never shied away from expressing their love and respect for each other and are not affected by those who feel that there is quite an age gap between the two. Whether it's Diwali or Christmas, Arjun and Malaika make sure to spend all these happy occasions together and have become one of Bollywood's most romantic couple. Though Malaika and Arjun often share pictures of themselves together, this is the first time जब उन्होंने एक ही फोटो शेयर करते हुए एक कॉमन मैसेज भी शेयर किया है. The couple posted a picture that went viral on social media, जहां एक कम्यूटर 11 महीने बाद मुंबई की लोकल ट्रेन में चढ़ने से पहले ट्रेन का आशीर्वाद ले रहे हैं. The picture has deeply moved people across Mumbai. क्योंकि जब ट्रेन्स नहीं चल रहे थे, कई लोगों को दिन के 7 से 8 घंटे काम पे आने जाने के लिए सफर करना पड़ता था. Appreciating the spirit of a hard-working and grateful Mumbaiker, मलाइका और अर्जुन ने अपने सोशल मीडिया पेजेस पे ये फोटो शेयर करते हुए लोगों को अपना अपना प्रिविलेज एक्नॉलेज करने की सलाह दी. Malaika shared the picture and wrote, "This one hit me hard. I feel ya, brother. #check your privilege." Arjun ने भी ये फोटो शेयर करते हुए लिखा, "Whenever you feel that things aren't going well, take a moment to perhaps absorb the fact that a lot of us are privileged and blessed to deal with these last few months without having to worry about how to get work even after things opened up." लेकिन किसी भी इंसान के लिए सबसे बड़ा प्रिविलेज होता है अपने पेरेंट्स और फैमिली का साथ. अर्जुन इस बात को अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, having lost his mother at a young age. On the occasion of his late mother Mona Kapoor's birthday, Arjun shared a special video on his social media page. उन्होंने वीडियो में अपने फैंस और फॉलोअर्स को एडवाइस किया कि वो अपने परिवार और फ्रेंड्स की वैल्यू कभी ना भूले.
I just want to tell you guys, spend time with your family, spend time with your parents, spend time with your loved ones, because I keep saying this, we don't realize what life has in store. I love her a lot, and I know she's around, but there are days I miss her and I can't even tell her that, and I tell her that in my own way, but बहुत अजीब लगता है. Yeah, but it's a happy day and I'm really, really happy. I just wanted to share this, that tell the people you love that you love them.
वाकई मुश्किल वक्त ही असली खुशियों की पहचान करवाता है. And having gone through a year of hardships, no Indian will ever take even the smallest of privileges for granted. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
Though big screens are only just opening up to entertain us, small screens have been providing us plenty of entertainment. With TV stars and social media celebrities turning into their entertaining and controversial bests as people spent more time at home and on their personal devices, here are 5 small screen stories that grabbed our attention.
Well, thanks to social media and the explosion of digital content in India, we now have a whole host of small celebrities. TV actor, hosts, content creators, social media bloggers and influencers. There is a whole new group of celebrities who have now emerged with huge fan followings over the years. So much so that some of these new celebrities can give Bollywood superstars a run for their money.
In a shocking development, Rakhi Sawant, who is currently a part of a reality show hosted by Salman Khan, has revealed on national television that her husband Ritesh is actually a married man. Rakhi Sawant was seen breaking down with Rahul Vaidya as she confessed to him that Ritesh is already married to someone else and even has a child. This is quite a shocking development given the existing suspicions about whether or not he exists at all. Now, Rakhi Sawant's brother Rakesh Sawant has reacted to this twist in the tale and said कि वो खुद राखी के इस confession से shocked हैं. He claims कि ना उन्हें ना उनकी माँ को इस सच्चाई के बारे में पता था. But he will try to get more details as soon as their mother comes home from hospital. Ankita Lokhande, who has been in headlines for her comments and reactions to ex-boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, the actor who started her career with TV shows had a great time with her close friends and Pavitra Rishta co-stars Mishti Tyagi and Aparna Dikshit. Aparna Dikshit hosted a small party at her home, and the ladies shared videos and pictures of themselves having an absolute blast and making the most of their time together. Controversial godman and reality show contestant Om Swami has passed away in New Delhi. He had been keeping unwell and had even tested positive for the pandemic-related virus a few months ago. Om Swami was then reportedly paralyzed before he passed away. His fellow contestant Rohan Mehra, a TV actor, has expressed his sorrow on hearing about Swami Om's demise. The godman, who was asked to leave the show for his appalling behavior, was one of Rohan Mehra's rivals during their stint on the show. पर आज उनके गुजरने की खबर सुन के रोहन मेहरा ने अपना अफसोस जाहिर किया है. Vikas Gupta, who recently got eliminated from a reality show hosted by Salman Khan, has shared a long note on his social media pages refuting the charges made against him by actors and TV show contestants Parth Samthan, Priyank Sharma and contestant Vikas Khokar. Vikas Gupta has said कि उनके खिलाफ किए गए सारे इल्जाम झूठे हैं और वो इस बात को अब लीगली प्रूव करेंगे. विकास गुप्ता को लगता है कि उनकी पर्सनल चॉइसेस की वजह से उन्हें हरास किया जा रहा है एंड ही नाउ सेज दैट ही विल नॉट बी क्वाइट और फॉरगिविंग एनीमोर. TV actor Anas Rashid, who has been away from the small screen for a while now, has welcomed his second child recently. The actor shared an adorable video of his little baby boy Khabib. वीडियो में खबीब अपने पापा के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं and the cute little boy is lying down listening to his papa call his name.
Alhamdulillah, Khabib.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. Until next time, it's goodbye.